Hello folks, hope you're doing fine today. Today we're gonna see what's inside this traditional scanner. So let's see. As you can see, this is the cover. I've just let it aside and let's see what's inside this. So basically this has the electricity and cable to connect with the computer, and rest assured there is not that much anything to like any power on and off, just like you have to go in and, as you can see here, just unlock it and then lock it. So let's see what's inside this. So first of all, I have made it a little bit loose, and then I have unscrewed this a little bit. So I'm gonna see what's inside this. So hope you guys will like it. So let's see folks what's inside this traditional scanner. So I have unlocked it, and as you can see folks, this is what looks inside a traditional scanner. So what it did was it scanned the thing like that. So this is like a toy car that we used to play when we were a child. So basically the same technology is used in here. So as you can see here, the things are just the same as we saw in the other videos that are like the things we usually see is the board of the silicone board mainly, which is composed of this, and here you can see this one. So this is what this thing rolls on these springs, and we have a roller here, you can see. So this is connected with the computer. This just rolls, and you can see from this glass it copies the file, the thing or the text or the file that is to be scanned, and it stores it on the computer on the required software. That's what the scanner the company provides, and it's stored on there, and this is how it works folks. And electricity connection is here. It comes with the capacitors and transistors in the board, and from there this motor is activated, and just a single swap and the thing is scanned. So let's patch this thing up. This is quite so this is patched up folks very well, and I'm just gonna tighten the screws. So that's all you saw folks. That's what inside a traditional scanner, which works with the traditional markets, which have these, they use this for their work, and usually it's used in offices and houses, so to easily scan the things for the ease of access, and to send it to different people, and for edit purposes as well. So thank you all folks, hope you like the video. If you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Everywhere's nice.